The Dr. Pepper Museum, a beloved Waco landmark with deep roots to the Central Texas city.
Dr. Pepper was invented here in Waco in 1885. The invention occurred at the Old Corner Drugstore, which was located at the corner of 4th and Austin Avenue.
But the building it now calls home wasn't always a museum.
This building was built in 1906 as a bottling facility for the Artesian Manufacturing and Bottling Company and their national headquarters.
That's until May 11th, 1953, when a deadly EF5 tornado with winds up to 260 miles per hour tore through downtown Waco, ripping off a portion of the building's second floor.
On the outside of the building, you'll see what's known as the scar, which is where the tornado took off the corner of the building, and then they rebuilt it with similar color brick, but it didn't match perfectly.
Despite taking just a week to repair, Summer Smith says the building eventually closed in the 1960s after the bottle company relocated, leaving it vacant for decades.
Eventually in 1985, a group of citizens around the 100th anniversary of Dr. Pepper's invention got together and began to work on a dream of turning the old building into a museum. And by 1991, they had done that.
The launch of the museum jump-started a revitalization movement in what was a quiet downtown Waco at the time, Summer Smith says.
The city was really using this project as a way to bring excitement back downtown, that there's something here for people to do.
And with each restoration project it undergoes, like a new roof earlier this year, the museum continues to bring that same amount of excitement while paying homage to its rich history.
We do have an exhibit about the 1953 Waco tornado. In our exhibit, we trace the path of the tornado and its impact on those neighborhoods and communities that it passed through.
In Waco, Chantal Ropp, KWTX News 10.